Hey guys, it's Engineer Pat 529 coming to you with an unboxing video. I just got a package addressed to me, and I think it's my new rechargeable battery charger and 8 gig chip I ordered from Amazon. There's only one way to find out. Let's take a look. Yes, it is. Both came at the same time. So in here, see, they packaged this separately, which I thought was very useful here. I'll get to the charger in a minute. Awesome, 2 8 gig chips I ordered from Amazon. These are actually for some still cameras that I'm going to try to use again. So we have 2 of those, and the big piece, the EBL rechargeable battery charger. So this can hold up to 8 batteries, AA or AAA, whichever one you have. In my case, it's AA, and you can use this to charge your batteries up. Alright. Here are the components. We have the instruction manual. Here's the unit itself. And we have the power adapter. If I can untangle it. There it is. And it just plugs in right here. And there it is. And we'll put the batteries in there here in just a few, but that's pretty much what came in this time. Got both of them in the same package, and it just came in today. So, another couple of goodies. I'll let you look at the unit up close. And see, the ScanDisk chips, these are going to be used for a good camera. It's a good still camera. I'm bringing it back down. I'm ordering some new chips for myself in case I do want to use it. ScanDisk is good, and there are many other brands you can get, but ScanDisk is awesome. And this is HD as well, so it's a really nice card. And of course the charger as well. Just can't wait to start using it. So I will actually do a demonstration video of the charger here in just a few minutes. Give me a few seconds to retrieve some batteries, and I will be right back. Alright, thanks for watching. Hey guys, Engineer Pat is back with the demo video of this charger. And I have retrieved the batteries out of this camera. This is the camera I'm using for the 8 gig chip. It's a Fujifilm camera. My mom's had this for a long time, and I'm going to start using it again. So, quick little showing of that. So now we just insert our batteries. You have the positive side and the negative side. And they just insert like this. My mom ordered 2 packs of these, and I just ordered the charger. So we just put them in like this. And now we just simply plug it in. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and dim the lights for a second. You'll see the amber color. Now you see the amber color. That means that all 8 of those batteries are charging. So that's a good sign there. And we let them charge for a while until they become green. And then of course they'll be ready for use. So, turn the lights back on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick demo. Please check out my newest videos up there on YouTube. I've done a lot of stuff recently, and I hope you all enjoy all that. So anyway, thank you guys for watching so much. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, peace out guys.